Hey guys, this is James with AutOdometer, and I just wanted to share with you a quick video of how I removed this nasty grease and grime from this armrest door panel here. We also have the same thing happening on the passenger side, and I'll show you how I clean it up, and it's actually a lot easier than you would think. So this is just from probably about 14 years of buildup. It's probably, no, I know it's never been cleaned. This is our family minivan grown up. We purchased it new in 2005. And as far as I know, there's been no cleaning at all. And it's just been building up for over 14 years. I remember learning how to drive in this minivan many times, getting in there sweaty with sweaty arms and just neglecting the cleaning. This stuff starts to build up. You have dirt and you have sweat and you have grease and oils from your arm start to build up, and it just sits there and starts to cake up. And there is a little foam piece. There is foam underneath, but where the grease is actually being built up, I believe it's just the hard plastic. So I did just an application of was it 5-to-1 super clean degreaser, and you can see it starting to pull it off, and just a couple more times here and I should be able to scrub it out. Now this is different than just trying to get off grease and grime from a regular vinyl door panel, just because this has a fabric element to it, and you don't want to scrub with it, at least this type of scrub brush. Probably wouldn't want to scrub your vinyl door panels, as it may scratch it up if you have a hard bristled brush. Just doing this a couple times, and here just finishing up the second pass. Probably clean your carpet brush out. I think that's what it was used for, was a carpet brush. And some of the leftover right now is just some of the wet degreaser or cleaner that has not evaporated or dried yet. So one more scrub of the degreaser with the microfiber towel, and we should be good to go. After I let it dry, it looked as good as new. Pretty impressive for 14 years of buildup, getting it off with just a few simple scrubs and just a simple 5-to-1 dilution of super clean degreaser. I also went ahead and cleaned this whole door panel. I have a separate video of myself cleaning the driver and passenger side of this 2005 Honda Odyssey. If you guys want to check that out, I'll leave a link in the description, and I'll also link it up in the comments below too. If you guys want to check that out, it's I just cleaned the passenger and driver side. I didn't have too much time with this vehicle. My family member that was driving it was actually my sister. She drives this vehicle now, and it's her full-time vehicle, and I just figured I'd give it a nice cleaning for her, so she wouldn't have to rest her arms on that nasty buildup of grime over 14 years. So it doesn't look too bad. Just give it one little bit, hit it once more, just because there's a little bit there hanging down on the edge. And there you go, pretty drastic results from what it looked like before to what it looks like now. Definitely looks as good as new, and when it dries, it definitely looks a little bit better too. So here it is, probably a good 5-10 minutes afterwards, and looks about as good as new. Let's go and jump over to the passenger side, and here at the end of the video I will show you what it looks like after it dried for about an hour. And there is no residue, there's no degreaser residue or soap residue or anything. It all just sticks there on the surface, and it's wicked away by the microfiber towel. So here's the passenger side. Not as bad, not many people sit in the passenger seat of this vehicle anymore, but still pretty nasty, all that sweat and grease and grime and dirt and oils building up there. I'm not sure if there's any other method to be able to remove this stuff. I don't think I know that some people use some type of magic eraser on the vinyl plastic pieces, the Mr. Clean magic eraser. I didn't think that was going to work just because you need a little bit more abrasive action here since it is a fabric. The extractor tool that I have, the head was a little bit too big for it to really be able to work effectively here in these areas. So I figured tackle it with a carpet brush. The bristles are hard, but they're not too hard where it would tear the fabric up or tear the plastic up. So just a simple spray bottle with a super clean degreaser, a scrub brush, and a microfiber towel to wick away any of the dirt that comes up with the soap. Again, you have to hit it with a couple applications, just because, do it a couple times, just because you have to, it starts to build up and you can't pull any more away. You have to wipe it away with a towel and then try again to get it all. And here's the final results. Not looking too bad. I also want to show you what it looks like about an hour or so after it had some time to dry. It did look pretty good. So I do have a couple more videos out on this 2005 Honda Odyssey cleaning. I have a video showing you how I clean the floor mats. Again, it's 14 years of not cleaning floor mats. I was able to bring some life back to them. And then I have a whole nother video cleaning the driver and passenger side and the front dash. If you want to check that out, I'll leave links in the description. I'll also leave links in the description to Amazon of the products I used. If you want to help the channel out, you can purchase through Amazon. I'll get a small commission. And with that, consider subscribing, like this video, leave a comment, and thanks for watching.